In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords to your Google Ads. So the first thing we want to do is watch this video the whole way through. And the reason I say is because if you don't watch it the whole way through, you might get a step wrong and it might mess up your account or your campaign. And that's something we definitely do not want. So make sure you watch this video the whole way through. To get into it, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we go to Google Ads website, so ads.google.com, and we need to make sure that we're signed in with our Google account and our account is all set up correctly. Now, the first thing I'd recommend you doing is going to some keyword research tool. I'm going to use Google Keyword Ideas, which is built in, and this is what it basically looks like. So you can go to discover new keywords, or you can get search volume and forecast. So we can type in our keywords here. So let's just say something like Fortnite, I don't know, Fortnite. We can click get started and we can actually get some ideas of the volume that this search term is bringing in. So 100k to 1 million, the 3-month change, the year-on-year change, the competition, which is low, the top of the page bid, so the low range, and the high range. So this is the highest cost to be top of the page. Yeah, this is the average cost per click of your keywords. So we can go in here and we can get a lot of different keywords, so we can add some more. Let me say how to make money, dropshipping. We can just test a few here, hit save, and they've got, I need to select no group. So let me add some more in here. So yeah, you can add those in here, and then it's going to tell you a little breakdown about your keywords. So your plan can get 2.9k clicks for $620 on an average £20 a day budget. It's going to tell you the average cost per click, the CTR, how much it's going to cost you. So that's pretty interesting to know. It's going to tell you the impressions you'll get, the clicks you'll get, all of that kind of stuff. And it's going to give you a little chart of the forecast over the next year of the amount of clicks. You see, coming up to Christmas, it is very, very popular, which kind of makes sense. So from there, we then want to take that keyword and we want to go back into Google Campaigns. So from here, we want to create a campaign. Go to campaigns. We want to create a campaign. We press this little add icon here, and we can do a new campaign. So let's say we want to get leads. We can do search and select the ways you'd reach your goal. Website visits. You put your website in there, whatever. What do you want? Clicks. Yeah, we'll just say clicks. Now we can select the different countries and stuff, and this is where we're going to put our keywords in. So broad keyword match here. So this is the first setting we need. So basically what this means is, are they going to be specific keywords, or are they going to just match similar to what you're writing? So you can select that in here depending on what you want. It says obviously you have to switch to a conversion value for that to work. Now in here's where we're going to put the actual keywords. So you can put a URL in here and get it to scan the keywords, or you can enter your keywords into here. So let's say how to make money, dropshipping, Fortnite. And now I'm going to tell you a bit about how the keyword method works, sort of thing. So if you put a term like this, Fortnite, this is going to be broad match. So it means something that broadly matches Fortnite. So it could be something related to Fortnite. Now, if we do it in quotations like this, Fortnite, this is going to be a phrase match. So this is going to be like how to level up in Fortnite, something like that contains this term. And the last one we can do is this square bracket one here, Fortnite. And this is going to be the exact match. So it has to say exactly Fortnite. It can't be a phrase match. So, you know, you can fiddle around with these depending on how specific you need stuff to be. And that's basically how you would add the keywords to it. Now, from there, you can finish your campaign off just like normal. But if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.